Hi friends, I am Srinivas Ramshetty. I am a software engineer by profession. I am going to start a new YouTube channel by name Square Root. The main purpose of this channel is to discuss mathematical concepts and methodologies involved in mathematical calculations. For example, we were taught about a method to find the HCF between two different numbers. But we were not taught how that method works. If we follow that method, we are going to get HCF. Why not the sum of the two numbers? Why not the product of the two numbers? Why not the difference of the two numbers? We are going to get HCF only. Why? In this direction, we are going to study mathematics in my new channel Square Root. What is the advantages of learning mathematics in this way? In this channel, we are not accepting any steps the way it is said. We are reasoning out each and every step involved in our mathematical calculations. By doing so, we are strengthening our fundamentals of mathematics. In other words, I am strengthening the roots of your mathematical skills. That's the reason I named my channel Square Root. I am squaring the strength of the root of your mathematical skills. There are many people who are preparing for competitive exams. They would have learned many tricks. As they have learned many tricks, and it's very easy for them to get confused. But when you know how does each trick works, it's very easy for us to recollect the right trick at the right time. And hence, this way of mathematics will help you a lot. I am telling you a simple technique to multiply two-digit numbers. Let's take an example of 43 into 37. Step number 1. Multiply the units digits. 3 into 7, 21. Multiply the tens digit. 4 into 3 is 12. Give a gap in between them. Next, cross multiply and then add. 4 into 7, 28. 3 into 3, 9. 28 plus 9 is 37. Now, add this 7 to 2. Add this 2 to 3. So, 1, take it as it is. 1. 2 plus 3 is 5. 7 plus 2 is 9. Take 1 as it is. So, answer is 1591. I will tell you another way of writing this. Step number 1 is as it is. 3 into 7, that would be 21. Step number 2, 4 into 3, 12. Now, don't give a gap. Write it like this. 12. Write a 0 below 1. Next, cross multiply and add. We already saw it will be 37. So, write 37 here. 1. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. 1, we take it as it is. So, the answer is 1591. Here also we added 7 plus 2. Here also added we 7 plus 2. Here we added 2 plus 3. Here also we added 2 plus 3. So, here we added linearly. Here we added vertically. That is the only difference between writing in this way and this way. But ultimately, the answer is the same. Stop. Now let's see how does that trick work. We did 43 into 37. 43 can be written as 10 into 4 plus 3. 37 can be written as 10 into 3 plus 7. In general, A, B, a two-digit number where A and B are single-digit number, can be written as 10 into A plus B. AB into PQ can be written as 10A plus B into 10P plus Q. Here A is 4, B is 3, P is 3, Q is 7. Next, this would be 100 into AP plus 10 into AQ plus 10 into BP plus P into Q. I would group like this and this separately. AP into 100 is nothing but AP followed by 2 zeros. 6 into 100 is 600, 6 followed by 2 zeros. 7 into 100 is 700, 7 followed by 2 zeros. B into Q. B and Q are 2 single digits. The product of 2 single digits will be maximum of 2 digit number. The maximum single digit number is 9. 9 into 9 is 81, which is a 2 digit number. So the product of 2 single digit number will be maximum of 2 digit number. If I rearrange this, this will be AP followed by 2 zeros plus BQ plus, I will take 10 common, 10 into AQ plus BP. AP followed by 2 zeros and below we have BQ. So this will come up to AP followed by BQ plus AQ plus BP into 10 is AQ plus BP followed by 0. 0 AQ plus BP. This is the formula behind this. A is 4, P is 3, B is 3, Q is 7, AP is 12, BQ is 21, AQ plus BP, the cross multiplication we did and we added, that is 37. This 0 is nothing but this 0. Adding that we got 1591. This is formula is the reason behind how does that trick work. After understanding how the trick works, I'll take one more example. Let's say I am multiplying 41 into 57. Here A is 4, B is 1, P is 5, Q is 7. First step, 7 into 1 is 07. I am writing 7 in 2-digit format. Second step, 4 into 5 is 20. Put a 0 here. Then cross multiply and add. 4 into 7 is 28. 5 into 1 is 5. 28 plus 5 is 33. Adding this, you get 2337. Now, why did we write 7 as 07? Why not 7? This step is nothing but this step, A into P followed by B into Q. How did we get that? A into P followed by 2 zeros plus B into Q, which is A into B 20 in this case, followed by 2 zeros plus B into Q, that is 7. We get it as 2007. If you see here, 7 is 07. This is 4 into 5, that is A into P. This is B into Q in 2-digit format. That is the reason for a single digit number we have to write it in 2-digit format.